Clark.com is testing out Total Wireless, a low-cost cell phone service that runs on Verizon's network. Take a look at what you'll need: a Total Wireless SIM card kit, a Total Wireless device plan, and a compatible device. You'll also want a SIM card ejector tool or a paperclip will do. So let's get started. Open the Total Wireless SIM card kit and select the SIM size for your device: standard, micro, or nano. If you don't know, that's okay, just keep watching. Next, use a SIM card ejector tool or a paperclip to open your SIM tray. This is when I figured out my phone required a nano SIM. Using the notch in the corner as a guide, I slid the SIM card right into place. Once you put the SIM card into the phone, go to the Total Wireless website and click on Activate to start your service. I entered the SIM card number that came with the SIM card kit. Then, I followed some prompts and got a new phone number. You can also keep your existing one. I entered the service pin for my plan from the back of this card. Finally, I turned my phone off and back on and made a phone call. After you make your call, you'll get a text from Total Wireless and then you're all set.